Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today we are headed to 3 events and I'm gonna take you with me. First event is gonna be a charity. It's a mental health slash, it's for the Punjabi Community Awareness charity. It's a car wash. So we'll be taking the Porsche today. I was actually trying to fit the folding chairs into the car. So I'm trying to figure that out. In the R8, they could lay flat. This one I have to put them at an angle and I'll see. So second thing we're going to is Boosted Cars and Coffee for like an hour. And then we're going to Queen's Manor. Queen's Manor is a little gathering for the event space. So there's 3 events today. Hope you guys come along and we'll enjoy those. But let's see if we can get these chairs in. So what I did was, I put the chair in. I don't know about this little metal piece right here. So maybe I might just take 1 chair. But if I can fit 2, that'll be great. Or maybe even 3. I don't know, let's check. Because what I'm trying to do is have some seating for everybody. Usually I keep them in the Mercedes, yeah. Let's see here. No, okay, 3 will not fit. So 3 is a no-go. Honestly speaking, I think even 2 should be okay. It should close, yeah. So it'll latch and it'll close. So I'll get these chairs in and then from there we'll head out. Alright, so I'm in the GT3. I'm honestly just driving it in automatic mode. Muffler is off. I like the stiff suspension. I don't like the soft suspension, so I keep that on. But I keep the PDK Sport off and automatic mode just to get the car warmed up. I let it kind of warm up like this for 5-10 minutes, maybe shift through some gears by downshifting, and then it'll automatically go to positive. But I don't really like try ripping on it right away, even though it warms up really quick compared to the other cars I've owned. But you know, you can feel it that once it's fully warmed up. And yeah, to drive it in automatic mode, it's literally just like any other car, other than just how stiff it is and how the suspension just kind of acts. So that's the only downside of, you know, trying to daily this type of car. And plus it's lowered a bit. But yeah, and the light flywheel, the flywheel is so light that a first and second gear in automatic mode, because they shift so quick, that it feels kind of really different compared to another car. So right now, shift, like it's really quick. I guess it's due to emissions and gas standards. All right, we're starting to roll up. We got the vibes with the Harley. I like the little music. Got S63, Lambo, GT3, R8. We got GLE 63. Just waiting for a couple guys, but I'm gonna cut the video here because of the music. Oh, and say hi everybody. Yeah, say hello all the drivers for the pit lane crew meeting for the Queen F1. Queen Street F1. At this point, nobody's actually gonna be able to get gas here. We're just here to be at the gas station, but nobody really needs gas. So he made an impression. Sing is king, boys.
Surprised you didn't remember.
Yeah. I mean, maybe the gas station might have caught on fire if you revved it, bro.
I got used to it. Not allowed.
Get down, bro. What's going on?
It's not allowed anymore.
At least he brought it dirty so he could get it washed.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the car, eh?
Yeah. No, we took the Huracan to the one shop.
Yeah, I remember.
And the roof is black on that one.
Damn, man.
Some guy like, yo, you have a Porsche carbon roof? So you didn't even know.
We got the Aventador, now we got the GT. We got everybody rolling in, pulling in. No one's able to really get gas, but it's okay. He said his car was dirty. It looks pretty clean to me, man. Oh, it's hot, bro. Even the fans are running like crazy on this. All right, so you asked me what these numbers were?
What are these numbers represent on a Lamborghini?
This is the firing order. 1, 6, 5, 10. So first cylinder fires for 6, cylinder, 5, then 10 cylinders. So he has 10 cylinders total, and this is the order it fires in. And they always write this on every Lambo, especially the V10s. I've always seen it. Even in the R8s, they do it.
But the V8 will have a different firing order.
Yeah, he has 8 cylinders. That's why. Yeah, but the Lambos don't come in V8 other than the Urus and stuff. So the only Huracans are V10s. So now you guys know. So we got Tesla's rich cousin.
Thank you. I said
Nah, it's sexy. SF90, it's just edgies. Beautiful car. Very nice car. Underrated, and I think just has kind of a rep where people didn't really, you know, think this car was deserving of an F-Series sort of chassis, but with the name. But I think it is. It looks so nice. So you fit in this thing, or?
Bro, way better.
Is it hit your hips?
No.
No? The car in buckets, look how thin they are. Holy.
The one we had fucking comfort seats.
Wild. Yeah, I would take the comforts if I drove it more. No?
You want this?
Yeah, no, it's nice. Yeah, that's because you like the look, but I don't know if you like the comfort.
Come sit.
No, I'm good, man.
You know what the problem is?
My hips are gonna get stuck.
With the SF is? The doors open just that much.
That's it? Yeah, that's definitely a problem for me, bro.
Back of the
Nah, I'll just take a picture, bro. That's okay.
Yo, Tiggy. Yo, Tiggy. You want to switch? Right now?
Look at that, bro. Look at that interior.
Do you trust me going fast?
Alright, we're entering the banquet hall area. We got our camera guy. But we're entering the banquet hall right now. And we'll make the parking, and then I'm gonna go and sit in the shade because it's hot out here. Alright, so they got a bunch of stuff for the bunch of tents. That's where the car washes are happening, I think. Salsa pizza. Alright, this is a raffle draw, and then this is the aesthetics booth. We got Fat Boy Grill. We got Mr. Pa, Gio Paul. We got our raffle tickets. We got camera. We got a bunch of tents and a GTR. Alright, so this is a bakery. Okay, what's cooking? Okay, there, we're gonna shout her out. Fun size chef. That's a great card, actually. Yeah. And
This guy is always hungry wherever he goes.
I'm always hungry, and it's the blue ticket, right? Okay, so we're gonna let Mr. Satpal choose what he wants.
No, I'm not having anything. I'm good.
Good shit, bro. Come on, you gotta do it. Oh, mango shake? Can you be not over here? Yo, it's a different mango shake?
Different kind of heat.
Coffee, eh?
Sticks to your
Mango
skin.
shake? Mango shake?
Maybe later.
Oh, maybe I don't know what mango shake this guy's talking about.
Can he show his drink in this?
What is
Right
this?
now, I got a black coffee going. Okay. I'm not getting the cold one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, this is
brutal out here.
This is a fit, bro. It's a sauna fit. You can't be making fun of the pajama, bro. Come on, man.
I'm just saying.
Come on. Yeah, I know. I agree. Yeah. How did you not expect it to be this hot, bro? Yeah, that's fuck. That's hot kakam, bro. I'm sweating in my shorts.
Might just have to go home and fucking change.
The cops are here.
Already?
We thought Gerbier screwed up, but he actually got car wash tickets, so we were making fun of him. And then it says 2 food tickets as well. So, alright, dope, done.
Oh, Cuddy is already in the line. This guy is always eating wherever he goes. He needs to eat first.
I would recommend this Fat Boy. Gotta feed the belly. So you got pizza, and then I got 3 portions of
Tacos.
and then you want? So not even one? What are you on a diet?
Yes.
Why? Come on, man. You have one? No? Okay. How about you?
I'm good.
Okay. Oh yeah, you can't eat jerk chicken. You're a vegetarian.
Because you're a jerk.
Alright. This is a car wash. You're not getting your car wash? No. It's a wrap. lap. We got live performances. Alright, so this is Jagaraj Co-op Auto Body. He built this Gladiator Wrangler style with a dually in the back. Look at that setup. Look at that speakers, bro. And then this is his dad's truck. It's a modern interior with a old school Ford Bronco you know, exterior. Pretty badass. That takes a lot of work, man. Crazy amount of work. Alright, we got Mr. Shoot your Instagram right here.
KT Shots.
This is KT Shots, the face to the name. I offered him to drive the GT3, but he didn't want to. So now he's gonna come with me to the I'll turn the AC on, bro. It's really hot. Oh. Yeah.
Fuck, this thing's low, bro.
Yeah, man. All right, buddy. So you're gonna take photos, right?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Good stuff. Oh, everybody. Don't worry, not me only. All right, we're gonna head there now. All right, so we got Mr. KT taking shots, rollers of Ford GT, Ducatis. We got special. We got 488, specially commissioned. I'll show you guys. We got Hayabusas. Take some cool photos of these guys standing there. I said, you know what? We'll give you that opportunity here to take these rollers. Alright, we got H2s. So we're at Busset Cartel now. Quick little video clip of S1K, Corvette. Just the same cars and copy we were at last week. You see that picture we got?